Hi, I'm Tanya Corbold. My son is Eli Corbold. He's been with Toddlers Den since parent toddlers and is now currently in the playgroup. I feel that in many ways, in number one being his social skills. I think when they were littler and growing up, they're so used to being around your friends and your parents, like adults, and they're not used to being amongst peers of their age. And I feel that the growth in terms of his social skills, in terms of his communication, his vocabulary, I think that has been number one for us. So everyone says my son is now 2.5, but since the time he was 1.5, he talks like an adult. His use of words is it's crazy, he comes up with new words every day and they use it in the right context, where you can actually have an adult conversation with your 2-year-old is just amazing. And I feel that the school has a lot to do with that, because I have seen the gradual growth where I look at him and I say, that's not a word I've used before. Where have you learned this word, Eli? I think in terms of parent-teacher involvement, number one, I think all the teachers and everyone at the school are super approachable, and the teachers know each, and I think I'll speak for most parents here, the teachers know each and every child so individually and so personally, where I genuinely feel that there's stuff we can learn about our kids from the teachers here, and it's not just about the curriculum or about the teaching system. I think they know our child in some ways better than probably we do, and that is amazing. Most favorite event, I would think number one, it's actually both of them. I have two. One was the Todd Den Canvas, which the school just went above and beyond any of us parents' expectations. It blew our mind with the way it was just exceptional. I think we as parents had more fun than the kids. And the other one was the sports day for sure. That was emotional, fun. Seeing your child doing, like holding the little torch and coming down the track and, in the races, and they actually practiced for it, and it was just, I think the sports day was emotional and super fun. So I think those were my two favorite. And in terms of parent interactions, we had this one event that they did where we as parents come and we serve the kids at a kind of a cafe, the Todd Den Cafe, and a few of us volunteered and served all the kids, and it was just adorable to see your child and not you entering into their cafe and sitting and having their little snacks and not bothering. Even though some of the parents are around, they were least bothered. They were very into their own little social circle. And that was a super fun interaction that we had with the kids. Toddlers Den I have seen my son grow in a way of confidence, number one, just he's a good person. Of course, that's values at home that we try and instill too, but they are kind, they are compassionate, their curriculum is amazing, where the children are genuinely educationally growing. I feel the best gift you can give your child is education, and there is nothing beyond that. And I feel I could not have chosen a better school in terms of, for Eli, I could not be happier, because the way that they teach along with caring for your child speaks volumes genuinely, and I could not recommend Toddlers Den enough to anyone. I am so happy with this school.